People always think that ghosts are the ones who are doing the scaring, that they're the ones who are popping out of the shadows, creeping in the dark corners, and you don't really know what you're seeing. But have you ever thought of it from the ghost perspective? Maybe the ghost is just a person, just like you or me. They have feelings, they can see things, they can hear things, that they're just looking at us like maybe we're the monsters. Ghosts don't usually tend to have any sense of purpose, so they're going to go along in life thinking that maybe that they're alive and that we're the people who are intruding on their world and that we're actually the monsters. Maybe ghosts are just like normal people, just like you or me. They get up for the day, they go and take walks, they go and do normal things that people do. Maybe things like taking their dog for a walk or watching TV at night, having a snack, eating dinner. These are just things that we don't take any part of our day to think about as anything other than normal. So maybe ghosts do the exact same things. I know we usually tend to think of ghosts as these, like, they're not really physical people, but maybe they are. Nobody's ever really thought about it from the ghost perspective before, so why not think about it like that? Maybe ghosts are just people too. Ghosts may just live normal lives like people do. Maybe they go for a walk with their boyfriend or girlfriend. They try on outfits and clothes like normal people do. Maybe they sit and watch TV at night. Maybe they pretend to do homework like most of us do, but instead they're usually on Facebook scrolling through their news feed and just wasting time, just like any other normal human would do. So I think next time we think about ghosts as like evil people or evil beings, we need to think about it from their perspective, and that maybe they think that they're not being evil at all.